Hi, good morning, dear Aquarius. A very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime, honey. Okay. And this is a reading from today till the 31st of October. You can say end of October. Fine. So let's start. Aquarius, your partner's current energy right now is. Let's see. Your partner's current energy right now is. Seven of Swords. So right now your partner is very mentally conflicted. This person right now is going through hell in their life, you can say. This is mental conflict. This is mental jail. This is some kind of thing that they can easily come out of, but they are not able to come out of it because they have created it themselves. This is the situation here. So this person right now is going through some kind of mental conflict, not able to decide, okay, and it is like some kind of secret. Might be they're hiding something from you, or might be there is self-deceptive energy that they're hiding something from themselves only, okay? Or there is some kind of secret that is coming out to light, and that is making them very restless. There's something in their energy that is restless, and there's something hidden that is coming out. Okay, let me clarify the Seven of Swords in their current energy. Let me see. Ace of Swords and the Nine of Cups and the Six of Wands. This person is self-deceptive. This is hiding something from themselves only because they feel like I want to do that. I want to do that. Their inner self is telling them that this thing is to be done. I want to do this, but they are just shutting off to the idea of doing that because they feel like it is not happening or it will not happen or something like this. So, Seven of Swords is clarified by the Ace of Swords, the Nine of Cups, and the Six of Wands. This person definitely wants to have a brand new start. This person wants to leave the past behind, and their wish fulfillment is to have a successful victorious start about something. It could be a relationship, it could be a job, it could be anything. But this person right now is very self-deceptive. They want to start something. Their inner self is calling them. Their inner self is, literally screaming at them to start something and do not hide behind the, doors or something like that. But this person is not able to listen to their inner self. Self-deceptive energy, hiding something from themselves only, not ready to listen to themselves. Okay. Cool. Let me see what your current energy is. Aquarius, your current energy right now is the World. There is a completion of a cycle in your energy right now. You are feeling like this is a completion. You are feeling like this cycle is completed. Might be this relationship is over. Might be this job is over. A course is over. Something is finishing. Something is finishing, and this cycle is completed, and new cycle is starting in your life right now. This is your current energy. Something is ending and something is starting. This is what is happening with you. Okay, Aquarius, let me see what is that something. Let's clarify the World. For most of you, it is some kind of course or interview or some kind of job, might be, or might be you're traveling around the world for something. Okay, let me clarify. Emperor, the Page of Wands, and the Knight of Cups. You have taken a decision. This is a love situation where you are feeling a cycle is completed. Let's start the new cycle. Let's begin a new cycle because you still carry lots of emotions, lots of love for this particular situation or person. Could be dealing with an Aries here because the Emperor card is here. So you have decided there is a cycle that is completed, that is completely ended. Okay, the end is bringing a decision. You have decided that you are going to text this person or communicate with this person, or you are going to open up the gates of conversation between you guys because you still carry lots of love for them. You still carry lots of love and emotions for this particular person. Okay, this is what your current energy is. After this ending, you are ready to start, ready to begin a new cycle with this particular person, whomsoever you are connected with, right? Cool. Let me see what this person feels for you, their feelings for you. Feelings for you. Six of Wands. Do you remember this person wanted to, this person is right now in self-deceptive energy, and Six of Wands were in the clarification. Okay, Six of Wands. Now again the Six of Wands came with another attack. This person wants to have a successful and victorious connection with you. They feel like there should be victorious and successful start to this connection, and this relationship should be successful in the near future. They feel like this. They want to make this, they feel like they should make this connection work out with you. What they feel for you is, they feel like you are some kind of mini celebrity, or you are someone who make them really happy, and you are the person of their dreams, or you can say the soulmate kind of energy. They feel like this for you. Let me clarify the Six of Wands, and they feel like there should be victory and success in this connection in the future. Okay, let me clarify Six of Wands as their feelings for you. Ace of Cups, the High Priestess, and the Six of Cups. Beautiful. This person is deeply in love with you. This person is feeling love for you, lots of love for you, but they're hiding it from you. They're not showing it to you at all. You could be dealing with a Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio here, lots of Cups energy. So this person right now is silent, might be silent or not communicating well, or if they are communicating with you, they are just doing hi hello kind of conversation. I don't see any lovey-dovey kind of conversation here, okay? But this person is deeply in love with you, and they are truly silent, truly silent about this, but they are missing you like hell. This person is missing you like hell. This person is thinking about all the sweet memories that you guys had in the past, okay? And all the things that you did in the past with them. So this person deeply miss you. Deeply miss you. They are silent because they don't know what to do about this. This person is trying their best to hide their own emotions from themselves only. And right now this person feels like you are some kind of mini celebrity and you're the apple of their eyes or something like this. Some beautiful feelings. This person is hiding this from themselves as well, from you as well, because this person right now is not in this state of, taking any kind of decision. This is self-deceptive energy for sure. For sure. Let me see what this person wants from you. Just give me a second. What this person wants from you? Nine of Cups, wish fulfillment. This person wants a happy connection with you, a happy reunion with you, because they feel like you are their wish fulfillment. They want to indulge themselves with you, celebrate with you, and this particular card is wish fulfillment. Lots of cups are flying in the air. There is some kind of mystery boxes also here. There are jewelries and Alibaba Khazana type of things are here, okay? Have you heard about the Alibaba Khazana story? This is some kind of, I'm not getting the exact word for Khazana, but it is like money, lots of money and lots of wish fulfillment kind of things, luxurious things, whatever it is. This is wish fulfillment. They want to start life with you. They want to have a beautiful connection with you, and you are their wish fulfillment. This is what they want from you. Let me clarify the Nine of Cups. Beautiful energy, Aquarius. Beautiful energy. And I don't see this person doing this at all or telling you this at all. But this is what they feel and this is what they want. Three of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, the Fool. This person wants to work on this connection. This person definitely wants to put in effort, put in energy and put in work on this connection, okay? I don't know what the hell is happening with the light today. All the things of the universe are going against me right now. I'm telling you. Yeah. So this person definitely wants to work on this connection and to put in effort, put in energy in this connection, but they're holding back. Again, this person is holding back. Again, this person is holding so many things inside of them, but they want a brand new beginning in this connection, not thinking about the past, not thinking about the future. They just want to take a leap of faith with you. They just want to take the risk of their life with you. They feel like, yes, I want this person back in my life because this person is my wish fulfillment. They really make me happy. They want to put in effort, put in energy in this connection, but they are silent. They are silent about this thing that they want to have a brand new beginning with you, and they want to take the leap of faith with you. They want to take the risk with you. This person is silent as fuck, you can say, right? self-deceptive energy, highly self-deceptive energy. Let me see if they're coming towards you or not. So what is the outcome? Let me see what is coming towards you till the end of October. Let me see. Knight of Cups. Either you or them are going towards the other person. Knight of Cups is not mature energy at all, but this is highly passionate energy, and this is highly sensitive energy. Especially the Cups energy is highly sensitive energy, emotional energy. So somebody is coming towards you with love offer. Not even if not with love offer, somebody is coming to you with love or emotions, okay? Or it could be you who is going to somebody with love or emotions, okay? Let me clarify the Knight of Cups. It could be you, it could be them, it could be any one of you, okay? Because there is no two here, I feel like this is single card, so it is like either you or them. It's not about both of you. I don't see both of you putting the effort, but one of you is finally opening up and putting the effort, okay? Let me clarify the Knight of Cups as a potential outcome for you. King of Pentacles, the Knight of Swords, and the Queen of Cups. Definitely either you or them is going towards the other person, or they are coming towards you, because King of Pentacles energy is stable-minded energy. Finally you are healing, or finally you have healed, or finally they have healed. They want to rush into this connection. They want to rush towards you, okay? Or it is you. It could be you who is rushing towards them. Queen of Cups. King of Pentacles, Queen of Cups. Can you see stability as well? This is the most stable card in the whole deck, the King of Pentacles. Practical, mature and stable card, taking a decision. And this is somebody who wants to rush. So this king wants to rush towards you because they have lots of love for you. Queen of Cups. Beautiful love, beautiful emotions. So from Knight of Cups, this love is going to Queen of Cups. This love is getting mature with time, okay? So definitely somebody is coming towards you with lots of love, with lots of emotions, and they want to rush because they feel like might be you are not able to, might be you will not be available till that time if they are going to wait longer, or might be you are not going to accept them. Whatever the situation is, it could be you. I'm telling you 100 times, I think now, that it could be you or it could be them who is going towards them, or they are coming towards you. But there's definitely loving energy by the end of October. You are going to be happy. Aquarius, finally after so long, I feel you guys are going to be happy. So the energies are present here. I don't see this person is taking much actions. I feel like you are going to take action finally. But whomsoever is taking the action, it doesn't matter. This relationship is going to start. Okay? There are very high energies present for this. If you are going against the wave, that is up to you. But there are very high energies present for this situation. Okay, thank you so much Aquarius for connecting. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye-bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.